Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Red EDC. Well, today we are checking out another QSP slip joint. By the way, this is the Heron. This was in their last set of releases. Pretty sure they all released about Blade Show Atlanta time frame. Oh, definitely available though. Now, dude, this abalone is, sexy. That's all. It just is. Look at the colors coming through off of this thing. Blue, green, yellow, peach, pink, orange, purple. Good Lord. Just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, there are a few different versions of this. There's a blue bone version that looks really good. There's a couple of glow-in-the-dark versions. There's glow scales, and then there's one that's like, I think is it orange shredded carbon fiber that has some glow in it as well, but there'll be a link down below. Feel free to go check them out. But this abalone just, I have gone from somebody that didn't think a whole lot about abalone to, I don't know why I didn't, because just the colors that come out in it are absolutely fantastic. But the Heron, overall fit and finish. I mean, look at that back. Back spring done so well. Everything chamfered off very nicely. So well done. I mean, we've seen what QSP does in slip joints, not only for themselves, but as an OEM. They just do really good work. Centering is on point. Now, like I said, it's a slip joint. You've got the nail nick. I'd say that's probably somewhere between a 5 and a 6. It's got a decent pull, but it's not too bad. Nice half stop. Snaps open on the shut. Kicks into that half stop. And then snaps shut. Really nice walk and talk. Now, you've got a Nitro-V clip point blade. There you go. Nitro-V right there. No other real markings on it. Very nice, clean. Well, of course, you do have the QSP logo up there in the corner, but nothing major. Grinds look really good. QSP just does very good work. Like I said, not only for themselves, but as an OEM as well. Now, it's riding on copper washers, but that walk and talk is just absolutely nice. Now, this one's coming in at $99. I know one of the other versions, I think it might be the carbon fiber version I mentioned, is $99, and then there's 2 or 3 versions that are like $97. So that's right about what you're going to be paying for it. So overall, we've got a little over 6 inches, a little over 6.5 inches, slightly pushing 3 3/4 on the handle. So we're just shy of 3 inches on the blade length, and then your cutting edge going to be about 2 5/8 ish, and then you've got full handle as your grip. Now the abalone obviously going to be a little bit slick. It's not too bad. I can get where my hand wants to land. I get a full 4-finger grip on it, so drops in there nicely. My ring finger actually drops into that cutout there really nicely, so it does end up fitting my hand very well. Like I said, I think I have a very average hand size. When you're talking size comparisons, going to be smaller than the bug out. As you can see, that means it's definitely going to be smaller than the good old PM2. Yep, absolutely. As far as pocketable, I mean, obviously you can pocket drop it. Now, QSP does have some slips that go with it. They did not, well, they sent this out at some point. Or no, I think I got this at Blade Show, Texas, maybe. I picked this up. So, been looking for a time to add it to a giveaway. So, you know what? This one will probably end up getting given away. So, this is probably, yeah, this one's a little big. I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. But they do have large and small slips, and this one is a large slip, so it would probably better fit with their small. overall. But I'll wait. Let's get a weight on it. Not weight as in hang on. Weight as in how much does it weigh? 3.2 ounces. Not bad. 92 grams. But, I mean, overall, it's a very, very well done, well executed, and this abalone by far is the best looking handle option. For me, there was no question. QSP was nice enough to send this one out. They hit me up, they asked me which one I'd like to see. It was abalone, wasn't even yeah. I was like, yes, abalone, please. They're like, okay. So, yeah, so thank you, QSP, for sending this one out to check out. So, overall, it feels fantastic in hand. The fit and finish is fantastic. Just a well done, well made knife for sure. Absolutely. Yeah. And you guys know, I've helped out David at the QSP booth at many shows now. And the reason why is because, well, one, I like to go to the shows. And two is I have no problem helping QSP out because they have done, obviously they've made, I'm a huge Finch fan. They've made most of the Finch knives out there, and they do an excellent job on those. Like I said, as an OEM, they do a fantastic job, and they just do really good work. It's a brand I 100% stand by. So there you go. I am a QSP fan for sure. And I mean, almost everybody's got a Penguin, right? I think so. But again, thanks to QSP for sending out the Heron to check out. Thank you guys for stopping by and checking it out with me. Like I said, there'll be a link below. Feel free to go check them out. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, bye-bye.